Hey everyone, I'm here on the Holderness today. It's a bit windy, a bit gloomy, but other than that it should be good conditions. So as usual, if I find anything, I'll let you know. So conditions already look good. It's very rocky, not very much sand at this bit. So yeah, let's see what I can find. Okay, time for a game of Spot the Fossil. Quite a difficult one because it's camouflage, but it's quite a decent size. Go! Very shelly red blocks here. The economics looks to be quite good, so let's have a look. It's a very interesting block. Not really sure what it is. Some interesting markings on. Right, just give it a hit, just see what's on the side of this. A big This rock's got a few ammonites showing it, so definitely worth a hit. Hopefully we'll get a good split on it, right through the middle. Okay, that looks like a good split. Let's have a look. That is a beauty. Look at that. Okay, let's spot this one. Looks to have a few ammonites on the outside. Just going to give it a hit. Let's get a nice split. Here we go. There was one in there. Other than that, really too much going on. All seems to be on the outside. So I'm further down the beach now, past all the rocks, into the mud fields, boulder fields. So yeah, always worthwhile having a look, see what's dropped out of these boulders. It'll take a couple of weeks to wash all the mud away. Always worth having a look. Just spotted this. This looks an interesting shape. Wow, look at that. Peach polished. Nice. Just spotted this golden cannibal in here. Definitely got, or had, nail against its wrist at some point. So I'll find somewhere to hit it. See if there's anything else in there. unfortunately not. Must have just been one on the outside. Ship. An important reminder of how dangerous the cliffs are. This wasn't here when I walked down there, and now I've come back and look at all that. If you were looking for fossils at the bottom of there, you'd have felt that. So always stay away from the cliffs. They're soaking wet and they're just crumbling. It is absolutely fascinating what the glaciers picked up 20,000 years ago and transported all the way down for up north, and then just deposited it all here on the Holderness as it thawed out. And it's just incredible the things that you can find down here that shouldn't be here. Fascinating. Well, that's me done for the day. Probably as good a conditions as you're going to get for the Holderness. Very rocky. You never really find a lot at the on the Holderness, but when you do find something, it does tend to be good. So yeah, definitely worthwhile coming up. A couple of good finds, and yeah, been a good trip. Always good trip here because it's so quiet and there's nobody else here. It's just a great way to spend the day, and if you're lucky, you find a few fossils. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, like and subscribe, and I'll make some more videos of my fossil adventures next time.